The prom king and queen winner for 2023 seems to be artificial intelligence. Everyone is talking about it, many are praising it, others are vilifying it, but nonetheless, it's in the vernacular now. There's an AI race. Many startups and established companies are looking to integrate AI, and there seems to be a role for AI to play in many industries, revolutionizing the way we work, live, and interact. So, why would law be immune to it then? Surely AI would have a place in the world of law. Some may take solace in a story that broke out in June 2023. A New York lawyer used ChatGPT to prepare a court filing, and the LLM made up cases and rulings. The AI even went on to say that the cases were real and could be found in reputable legal databases. Spoiler alert, the cases were not real and they could not be found in reputable legal databases. This may make one go, see, AI sucks. It has no place in the world of law. But one could rebut that the AI could evolve to cite real cases and rulings, and maybe the lawyer should have cross checked what was cited by ChatGPT. What's interesting is that a 2023 report by Goldman Sachs outlined that about 45% of legal tasks could be automated by AI in the US. And it's not like tech has shied away from law in the past. There are legal research service platforms and databases like LexisNexis and Westlaw that have had some degree of machine learning in searching case law for about 30 years. It's said that lawyers need to be fastidious and have to go over long documents, do research, and do due diligence. This may be where AI could come in, extracting insights from text and understanding the context of the content. The standard argument for AI is that it would do all the boring and monotonous tasks, while humans could do more thoughtful, creative, important, and exciting tasks, like exercising prudent judgment in complex legal matters and meting out strategic guidance. So maybe there could be AI contract review software and AI document analyzers to let the lawyers do work they find more fruitful. But not ChatGPT at this stage, maybe ChatGPT 4. But there could be AI software to help with legal work to reduce errors. Paperwork that used to take a whole group of paralegals and junior associates to go through, and that could take months and even years, could be summarized in minutes and questions, and follow ups could be asked regarding the documents. But this does raise questions on how it could impact these paralegals and junior associates. Would a firm need as many associates then? In the case of a solo practitioner, on the other hand, would AI be helpful in a manner that they wouldn't have to spend time and money on research and analysis and help streamline their work? Or if there's a role for AI chatbots in the law world, they could answer questions and routine inquiries for clients. But maybe clients would prefer a human lawyer touch to navigate cumbersome legal processes and potential worries or fears they may have. Crucial provisions could be pinpointed, the review process could be organized, and more agreements could be scrutinized efficiently in a shorter period of time. So, there could be patterns and insights uncovered that the human eye may not catch. And so, with better time and efficiency, a lawyer or a legal team could make well informed decisions with meticulously analyzed data. That being said, the world may not be ready for a robot lawyer to represent you in court, so the human touch may still be indispensable in the legal landscape. There's an AI platform called Harvey that would help lawyers with legal tasks like litigation, compliance, and due diligence. Is it named after Harvey Specter of Suits? Who can tell? It's been called a co-pilot for lawyers, having received backing from the OpenAI Startup Fund and the lead of Google AI, among other angel backers. So apart from helping law firms, maybe this could help people in a tiny way. Those who don't have the funds to hire a law enterprise. And there was an anecdote of a lawyer from Flint, Michigan, using an AI software called CoCounsel, using it to check out about 400 pages of documents. CoCounsel reviewed the pages, wrote a summary, and highlighted an important gap in the case. Maybe the billing practices of lawyers may change with the advent of generative AI. Before, when there was discovery or thousands of pages of legal documents to go through, a group of lawyers would have to go through them, taking up countless hours, creating billable hours to get structure and salient information. With AI that could streamline this work, Would there be a flat fee based on the service instead of the time it takes to conjure up a solution? That being said, there is the issue of data protection and client confidentiality. If AI software is being fed legal documents, could they keep it to themselves? What would the storing information policy look like? Are there risks or vulnerabilities of hacks or data infringement? And if the AI software makes things up, could it open firms up to malpractice suits if the correct supervision is not done? But then, is that a case of a bad actor as well? What do facts and the truth look like in an AI world? However, it may not be that AI would replace the legal profession altogether. The law is more than just document scrutiny and data analysis. It's said that a good human lawyer is all about good problem solving capabilities, creativity, a solid understanding of nuanced legal principles, and more. AI may complement that, but that may not mean it would take over. Because it may be more than sorting out information. Law is also about strategic counseling, advocating for one's client passionately, and navigating the complexities of a legal system. It may be about a profound understanding of the ethical and emotional intricacies of the law, and algorithmic analysis may not suffice in that case. As of now, it seems like AI could be an enabler for lawyers, and those who learn to leverage it well would gain the most out of it. Maybe with AI, lawyers would have to read less and write less. But does it mean they would have to think less? Would that be a good or bad thing? No further questions.